Hi everyone, it's me from Best Health and Nutrition Tips. Are you excited to know about why this brain health expert eats Greek yogurt as midday snack? So, you are in the right place. Today, we discuss about Number 1. Why this brain health expert eats Greek yogurt as midday snack. Number 2. Why Greek yogurt makes a great midday snack. Number 3. How to spice up a cup of Greek yogurt. Number 4. The takeaway. Now, let's get started. I study brain health and longevity. This is my favorite snack for cognition. When you're hungry in morning, it can be tempting to reach for something quickly, which often means a treat, not a healthy one. However, we remind you that not all breakfasts come in one box. In fact, your body will thank you if you come up with something simple and rich in protein. When it comes to yogurt, there are so many different flavors to choose from. But one of our favorites has to be cherry yogurt. It is a warm yogurt breakfast. The sweet and tart flavors of the cherries make for a delicious and refreshing yogurt that is perfect for breakfast or a snack. Plus, it's packed with nutrients like protein, calcium, and probiotics. Just ask Max Lugavere, scientific health and longevity expert, on a recent episode of the Mind Body Green podcast. He shared his breakfast to keep his brain nourished and his balanced energy levels. The answer? A simple cup of Greek yogurt. Here, find a few ways to match this expert's favorite lunch. Why Greek yogurt makes a great midday snack. There are many reasons why Greek yogurt makes a great midday snack. For one, it's a great source of protein and calcium, which can help keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Greek yogurt is also low in sugar and calories, making it a healthier option than many other snacks. Additionally, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which can promote a healthy digestive system. Since Greek yogurt doesn't take much time to prepare, just, put some in a bowl and dig in. It makes a great breakfast for travelers. Needless to say, Greek yogurt is nutritious. Of course, if you are on a vegan diet, you can turn to dairy-free alternatives, such as almond or cashew yogurt. However, Lugavere says there are some noteworthy benefits of yogurt, if you can tolerate it. Full-fat dairy has a lot of cold-pressed nutrients, whether we're talking about vitamin K2 or butyrate or CLA. I think there's a lot of good things in dairy, if you include it. You're sensitive to dairy, explains Lugavere. Research has shown that dairy products have the ability to enhance cognitive function as you age. As Lugavere added, if you're not sensitive to dairy, I think it's a food worth bringing back to the table. Also, Greek yogurt is a cheap option. Greek yogurt is one of the most economical ways to get high-quality protein in modern supermarkets, Lugavere shares. One 4-ounce serving of Greek yogurt contains 12 grams of protein, so you have a lot to gain with your money. Before moving to the next topic, how to spice up a cup of Greek yogurt, don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more health-related informative videos. If you want to read the full article, here is my website https://www.bestnutritiontips.info/. The link is given in the description below. How to spice up a cup of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a portion of delicious and nutritious food, but it can sometimes be a bit bland. Here are a few ideas to spice up your cup of Greek yogurt. Number 1, add some honey or other sweetener to taste. Number 2, top with fresh fruit, granola, or nuts for a tasty and healthy snack. Number 3, stir in some jam or preserves for a sweet and fruity treat. Number 4, mix in some spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or cardamom for a flavor boost. Number 5, add a savory twist by stirring in some shredded cheese, diced tomatoes, or chopped herbs. If you find a cup of plain Greek yogurt a little boring, here are some ways to enjoy breakfast and keep it in line with your blood sugar. Add toppings. There are many options to choose from when it comes to making yogurt. Some of our favorite foods include nuts, berries, seeds, cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey. Pack and skin support supplements. Yogurt powder serves as an easy way to supplement. Not only is this blend high in protein, thanks to grass-fed collagen, but it also contains vitamin C and E, hyaluronic acid, and turmeric, which have skin-healthy benefits. Bonus, it tastes like chocolate. No added sugar, for those who prefer something richer. The takeaway. When it comes to choosing breakfast, there are usually some quick and easy ways. Greek yogurt, especially with collagen powder, is packed with protein to help satisfy your afternoon hunger. Feel free to season your fruits, nuts, and other favorite additives. If you're on the hunt for a particular recipe, check out this reduced-fat yogurt, you won't regret it. If you are pregnant, nursing, or taking medication, consult your doctor before beginning a supplement routine. It is always best to consult your healthcare provider when considering the right nutritional supplement for you. If you enjoy the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Stay healthy and stay happy.